Welcome back to another episode. What started as a quiet day by the lake quickly turned into something else. This is Challenge Accepted. Day 2 at Lake Lascelles started with blue skies and calm water, but by the afternoon, the winds picked up and the clouds rolled in. With the weather turning, Peter and the Challenge Accepted crew set out to explore the nearby dry basin of Lake Coorong. With Luis leading the convoy, the team drove across the cracked lakebed, chatting over UHF about its history, water levels, and size. What started as a slow day quickly turned into a rolling discussion on geology, rainfall, and local insight, proving that even the quietest days have their own story. Peter and the crew wrapped up another day on the road. But with more tracks ahead and no set plan, you never know where they'll end up next. Challenge accepted,